Hello, I'm WBZ TV meteorologist Barry Burbank, and I have your forecast for today and the next several days, taking us right through the end of November. We only have 5 days left here, and so far the mean temperature has been reduced down to minus 1.2 thanks to the red square that we had yesterday with those above average temperatures. The mean before that was minus 1.5. So we'll see what happens over the next few days, but we have some chilly days ahead. And it looks like this. After yesterday's highs of around 58 to 60 degrees. It hit 58 in Boston and around 2:47 in the afternoon. A couple spots did hit 60, like Lawrence, Massachusetts. It won't be that warm today. In fact, we already had our high temperatures for the day. They happened close to 1 to 2 o'clock this morning when it was right around 50 degrees. Since then, we've had the temperatures fall off a few degrees, and they'll sort of hang around the mid-40s or maybe rise a little bit. But by 1 to 2 o'clock this afternoon, this is what they'll be, about 45 in Boston and Norwood, to 43 in Bedford and Lawrence, to 40 in Fitchburg, 30s as you head into the Monadnock region, and also parts of the high ground areas of Worcester County and points west, range up to the upper 40s down toward the Cape. After that, of course, the temperatures will be falling later this afternoon, especially as we get closer to sunset. About 7 o'clock this evening, it'll be close to 30 to 35 across the area. So that cold air finally will be felt here by that time. For the game at Gillette Stadium this afternoon as the Pats host the Dolphins. It'll be around 46 at kickoff. Sunshine and a few passing patches of clouds are possible. A west-northwest breeze will be blowing, and it'll be fluctuating between 15 and a few brief gusts to 25 to 30 miles an hour, because that'll add some chill to the air and make it feel a lot more like the 30s this afternoon. Across most of the nation, we have above average temperatures in many areas. From the north to the south, it's really a very pleasant stretch here in late November for most of the country. In fact, some pretty good traveling conditions as well, except for out west, where this system is crashing on shore, giving some bouts of rain, heavy in places from central California up through the Washington coastline area, with some flooding in spots, and also some gusty winds and snow in some of the higher elevations. Speaking of snow, we may have a chance of a snow shower or flurry around the Boston area first thing tomorrow morning from this potent system, which will be heading southeastward. It'll produce most of its snow showers and snow squalls across the mountains of northern and western New England, where the snow will build up there to as much as a few to several inches in favorable upslope locations of the Adirondacks, up into the northern Green Mountains, and even stretching down to the Berkshires. A little bit of snow may accumulate there. Into the northern White Mountains, a few inches there, into the western mountains of Maine through tomorrow. So here's what we're looking at this afternoon, with sunshine much of the time, but a few patches of passing clouds. Most of the snow showers in western New England. We cloud over tonight, and there comes that system coming south. These are the snow squalls and snow showers coming southeastward. Most of that snow will be rung out over the mountains, but a few isolated renegade snow showers or flurries could be even down into the Worcester Hills to the Boston area first thing tomorrow morning. Then for the most part, the rest of the day will just have a few patches of clouds in the sky with a lot of sunshine, but the flurries and snow showers continuing in the mountains. And it'll clear out tomorrow night, and it looks like Tuesday will start off clear, and it's going to be very cold Tuesday morning. So here's what's going on with the WBZ Faneuil Hall Holiday Spectacular on Tuesday evening for the tree lighting there, the show on Channel 4, WBZ at 7:30. And if you're going to be there and to see the celebration, the event, it's going to be mainly clear and a bit breezy, 38 degrees. Here's the configuration of the jet stream, about like this, bringing that cold air down today and into tomorrow. Then the jet stream starts shifting a little bit. So this sort of trough moves offshore. We get a thrust of mild air in here Tuesday night and Wednesday. And then the cold air is just going to be right along the border. A lot of cold air in Canada, and most signs suggest that as we get into December, we are going to get into a more wintry pattern with below average temperatures and the threats of storms. So here we go with the forecast in the more immediate future for the next 7 days. You can see that the coldest day will be Tuesday, despite all the bright sunshine, starting out at 22 in the morning, the afternoon high 42, so that's about 6 below average. The warmest day of the week will be Wednesday when it hits 56, and then we have some rain likely here on Friday. You can watch WBZ News tonight, late tonight after 11:30 for the late news, or you can see the news earlier on my TV 38 at 8 o'clock for all the news and weather updates. Have a nice rest of the day.